Hey everybody, James from Graydor here. Today we're at Graydor Flooring Automotive in Oakville, Ontario to check out what is undoubtedly the coolest project that we have ever worked on as a company. So without further ado, welcome to Graydor Flooring. This morning we're going to be doing a walkthrough of the Rolls-Royce space as we get ready to install some Ardex floor leveler. The product that we're going to be using is a product called V1200. It's a very high-end leveler that we rely on regularly when we have to deliver the best results possible for our client.
Our next step in our process here for the self-leveling material is having to prime the concrete. The reason we prime the concrete is to seal the concrete, allow it to cure. That way that when we put the self-leveling material over top of that, we don't get fin holes or fish eyes in the material and you get a really nice smooth finish.
The area that we're going to be working on today is about 4,000 square feet. We're going to be doing it in 2 phases, and by the end of the day, we will have a perfect floor ready for tile installations. As you can see behind me, phase 1 pour is complete and setting up nicely. Initial results show that it's a really flat floor and we're super thrilled with the results. The team did an excellent job today. We're really excited for phase 2 and I think that we're going to have a very happy client when all of this is over. So there's actually a couple of things to note here. Here you'll see a floor monument that we've put some spray foam around. You'll notice a couple of things here that are of importance. The first is this sand and epoxy primer that we put down. There's a metal base plate in here that eventually we'll have to stick something cementitious to. This primer allows us to do it. You'll notice that we put spray foam around it. This acts as a dam to stop the floor leveler from enclosing the box. Prior to installing the floor leveler, we will cut this nice and clean so that way we have square edges. Once the leveling is done, it will all get scraped out and removed. After we're done floor leveling, this plate will be adjusted by the electrician and then we will pack in around it to make sure it's secure and can handle the heavy rolling loads of a Rolls-Royce. One of the many challenges with this design in this building is this expansion gap here around the perimeter of the curtain wall and the glazing system. Obviously this is soft, it's designed to be that way, and you can't put a hard tile over top of something soft, it'll break. So we've worked with the engineers and the consulting team to design a metal plate system that gets installed onto the slab, which will bridge over top of this soft material. And then from there, we'll put the uncoupling membrane on top of it. Again, this substrate will have to get primed and treated properly. So yeah, this is the mock-up, this is the assembly, and the reason that we left that 2-foot channel all the way around the glazing wall is so that way, once the floor leveling is done, we can install the plates separately and treat them as their own phase in the prep. All right guys, welcome back to Graydor Flooring Automobile in Oakville. As you can see, we are in the thick of the floor tile installation in the Rolls-Royce dealership, and it is really starting to come together. We're really happy with how this floor is starting to look, and we think the client's going to be thrilled too. And we're hoping that in about a week's time, the tile installation will be complete. So here's a quick little sneak peek at the feature staircase at Graydor Flooring Automobile. Eventually this staircase will be clad in terrazzo slabs. The slabs and the steps are currently in fabrication right now at one of our marble shops. As you will see, this is going to be a really cool staircase. It's giant, it's floating, and it looks absolutely beautiful. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next job. A special thanks to a few of our key partners that made this project possible: Circon Construction Management, Ardex Americas, Dow Tile, LBD Design, LGA Architects, and of course, Graydor Flooring Automobile.